Nature of best prayer. Love God and pray to Him. Pray to Him intensely and deeply. Sometimes we do some meditation or prayer, but we are very slow in removing human mind, human nature and characteristics. When we have come to spirituality, we should very well remember that we have come not to remain as a human being, to continue as a human being, but to be a divine being. Sooner we leave human mind, human ways, human nature and characteristics. Sooner we become divine, the better. We should intensely pray to God for this. When we go to a cold country of the Eskimos, even a single cloth that is used here in tropical region will not do. We require special kind of shoes, clothes, etc. Similarly, with human mind and characteristics, you cannot enter into the heaven of spirit. One who wishes to enter into the heaven of spirit requires a special kind of mind. Pray God to make you free from earthly passions and desires. Let mind be not ours. Let heart be not ours. Let soul be not ours. Let God's mind press on our mind. Let God's heart press on our heart. Let God's soul press on our soul. A good prayer brings you closer to God. As a good horse carries a chariot close to destination quickly, a good prayer carries human soul to God quickly. A prayer remains closed in the process of prayer. But when a prayer is fulfilled, it is disclosed. When a prayer blooms in a person, one opens to spirituality. Years after, when we will count our prayers, we will feel that in response to our prayers, God showered His grace infinitely, and He granted many more things than we prayed for or expected. A good prayer can remove what we cannot, or it can bring what we cannot. By prayer, the things that cannot be left can be left behind, and the things that cannot be attained can be attained. By prayer, we renounce our badness that we otherwise cannot, and attain goodness that lies beyond our reach. What is the nature of the best prayer? The best prayer is not for the wants, but for the needs. Our wants are many, but we do not know whether those wants are needful or not. Our wants may not be needful for our soul or its welfare. So the best prayer does not demand or expect fulfillment of some personal desires and cravings. May God fulfill our needs, needs that are spiritual, needs that are needful to be divine.